Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 7 science chapter 5 acids, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salt. In this chapter already I study in last two videos about the indicators. Indicators are the dyes which are used to detect whether a substance is a acid or a base. And in this sequence already we have studied about the two types of indicators. First one is litmus paper and the second one is China rose indicator. Today we will study the two more indicators, turmeric indicator and one is synthetic indicator. These two are natural indicators and the last one is phenolphthalein indicator. So today we will study about the turmeric indicator and phenolphthalein. Let us begin with the turmeric indicator. How this turmeric indicator we obtained from the natural substance or natural turmeric plant from a natural. We know that turmeric is a bright yellow powder. Turmeric is a bright yellow powder obtained from a plant. Turmeric is obtained from the turmeric plant, which is called in Hindi haldi. Haldi. Turmeric in Hindi it is called as a haldi. Haldi you know, which is used in your making vegetables and foods. It contains a yellow dye and it turns red in basic solution. Turmeric turns red in basic solution. So the natural color of the turmeric is yellow, but when we use turmeric paper as an indicator, the turmeric paper is yellow in acid solution is yellow in acid solution. It means turmeric natural color is yellow, And when we use this turmeric paper to detect whether a substance is acidic in nature or basic in nature, if the substance is acidic in nature or the solution is acidic nature, the natural color of the turmeric paper remains same. So we can say that turmeric paper is yellow in acidic solution. But what about the basic solution? Bases turn means change. Turn the yellow turmeric paper to the red. Yellow turmeric paper to the red color. It means if we put the turmeric paper into a basic solution, its natural color yellow is changed into the red color, and it shows that the solution is basic in nature. So it means if we use a baking soda, turmeric paper with baking soda, the baking soda change the yellow turmeric paper into the red color because it is a base. Baking soda is a base. And if we use acid solution with the turmeric paper, there is no change in any color of the turmeric paper. So it shows that the solution is acidic in nature, like does any acid. The next indicator is a synthetic indicator which is called phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein indicator The phenolphthalein indicator is colorless in acid solution. The phenolphthalein indicator is colorless in acid solution, but it gives a pink color in basic solution. But phenolphthalein gives pink color in basic solution. Phenolphthalein indicator gives pink color is pink color in basic solution. So from this two statement we detect that whether a solution is acidic or basic in nature. If we add few drop of solution on the phenolphthalein indicator and there is no any color change, it means the solution is acidic solution. And if there is gives a pink color, that means the solution is basic in nature. But some substances do not change the color of any indicator in any way. These substances are called neutral substances. Means they are neither acidic nor basic in nature. For example, sugar, pure water, common salt solution. They do not change the color of any indicator. So these are called the neutral substances. So neutral substances are some are of the substances which do not change any color of the indicator. Some of the natural or neutral substances are pure water, common salt solution and sugar solution. So neutral substances, the substances whose solution do not change the color of any indicator in any way are called neutral substances. Some of the neutral substances are, for example, pure water. This is neither acidic or nor basic in nature. Common salt means the salt we use in our daily cooking purposes. Common salt and sugar, these are the neutral substances example. Okay, thank you.